So, have you noticed anything?
Yeah. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Oh, yo, chill. Chill. Why is my hair so black? At least it's black, but it's not white.
Well, over here.
Okay. Wait, I'm so brown. That's why.
Wow. Let me turn on the lights.
Wow. I mean, my jawline's good. Wow.
My gosh. You see each other.
No,
Look, it's us.
It's me, though.
It's us.
No,
it's not you, it's us.
No, it's
you
me.
and me.
Yeah, I see you.
It's us.
Yeah, I know.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are talking about
Hopia Part 5.
Hopia Part 5.
Yes.
Search for Hopia.
Search for Hopia.
No, we did not do we did not do Part 3.
Wait, no.
We did not do Part 3.
We did. The bumper one.
Bumper. What bumper?
The cart. The cart.
That was 2.
Yeah, we did Part 3. You postponed it.
This is Part 3.
Yeah, this is Part
The
3.
cart, the buggy, was Part 2.
Yeah, no, but
You search for Hopia Part 2.
Huh?
Part 2 lang to. Okay, abli na ako kung ano. Mingkay, yun. Mingkay. Mingkay, what are you doing, Mingkay?
What are you doing, Ming Kai?
Yun. You're ruining my bag, Mingkay. No.
You got scared. You got her scared, bro.
Ming.
Ming.
Oh, yeah, okay. Patog diha. Okay.
Oh, no, she's there.
Oh, no. Look, Part 2.
Well, no. This, huh? Oh, Part 2.
It's Part 2. What do you mean Part 3?
Part 3 is the other one. Look.
What's the other one? Why ko
Like-
lang uploading? Why ko lang upload? Facebook and then kuha.
Look.
Man!
Look it up.
See, look at there's no Part 3.
Hold on.
There's no Part 3.
Hold on.
You made tong one?
Hold on.
Oh, there's no Part 3. What is this? Why have I not heard of it?
Hold on.
What is this Part 3?
Hold on.
Kaya nang message na si Asil.
Hold on. I know there's Part 3
Don't
here.
mean there's no Part 3.
There is Part 3. Come on.
I don't have a Part 3 post.
Hold on.
I don't have a Part 3 post. I know what I post.
Hold on.
I know what I post.
Hold on.
Who is trying to offend me?
Here, Part 3. This is the
That
Part
is not
3.
considered Part 3. That is not considered Part 3.
I mean, I was here though. So it's still considered
Yeah,
Part
but
3.
that is not part in search of Hopia. We are in search of the reward.
I mean, you said it in the Discord itself.
Yeah, but it's not confirmed. And then I was in a bad mood anyway. After that.
Mm.
Kasi nagkuha na ako.
Hold on. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, it's easy to kill. Easy to kill. Oh my gosh, it's easy to kill. This guy, niya. Si Kulos man eh. Di man yung ihagwan. This is not you. Not you, bro. Now, Part 3.
No, this is Part 4. No,
Part 5.
Part 5.
Part 3.
Part 5.
Part 5.
Yesterday was Part 4.
So yesterday Part 4, what pa nag-record dali?
Exactly.
It's about recording.
It's
It's about documenting kuan. It's about documenting our kuan. Times sa siyawan ni.
Hiyapin, guys. Let me see. Athena! He's steering! Athena, he's steering!
Di gali magtagad na ako.
Exactly.
Di siya ba di matagad?
Exactly.
Saan ako muwa sa gihapon ko? Jill and Leon, no. I am not cheating. See me. I'm not cheating.
Crazy app.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
Huh? What do you mean you don't know?
Ayan, Part 3. today everyone, we are going to discuss about a body song. That in yes, Hupia, we are gonna stab. In stay tuned because at the end of the video we're gonna stab the Hupia. Stay tuned, subscribe and like.
Yeah, it's already 5 minutes.
Hilom niya at ato ni patas unog 1 hour. So today I'm gonna teach you. Let's gonna teach you how to basic open. This is the basic open.
Wow.
Wow. Now
Wait,
during James Cernas is going to demonstrate it.
Why are you stating my name?
Because you're the hoe to the Pia. You're the hoe and I'm a Pia.
What?
You're the hoe and I'm a Pia.
No.
Now, what
happened? What happened?
Okay, there we go. You broke the sidelines.
Okay, guys. This I don't know how to do this, guys. I don't know how to do this. Oh no, I'm just gonna like cut off my arm. Oh no, I'm just gonna cut off my fingers. Yes, I don't have any fingers anymore. I don't have any fingers.
He is lying, everyone, and that I know.
How?
Because
What?
now, everyone, I will demonstrate to you the act of magic. Today we are going to play the Xbox.
I thought I was going to say sapu.
Wa
I was going to say sapu.
plug in Xbox. No, we plug in.
Exactly.
What?
Nah.
Okay, so.
We're gonna use social media, guys.
There we go, guys. Okay na.
I don't care, guys.
Let's play the Xbox.
Nah, guys.
The Xbox.
Let's go, guys.
Drain James here will demonstrate the basics of this body shop flipping, and I will be playing. Right? We're gonna talk to the camera. I'm gonna play.
I don't even know this.
You demonstrated. You teach the people of the world and how to one. And then don't forget Soundwave. Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. Go. Look, it's opening.
A spinner to
Why is this not plugged? It's not plugged. Okay guys, let's play guys. Oh, kita sa camera.
Yeah.
Possible ba siya magkita mo kung sa games natin? Now, do the basic open.
Hey, this is closed, guys. This is closed. We open. Then it's closed. Open. Close. Then spin. Yay, got it. Look. You got it, guys.
Kita siya.
You got it, guys. You got it. That's how we do it. Then, in closing, you just have to point it like this. Make sure that whenever he this, doesn't cut off your hands, fingers rather. Then, do it again. Spin it and close.
Okay guys, here's your plans. Today we're gonna review Soundwave.
Gay.
So he's fully articulated. His hand can go full to 60.
False.
His head is on a ball joint, but it's rather tight on the copy.
Exactly.
His little gun can move up and down.
Correct.
He's got a race swivel.
No.
Swivel, yeah, I mean.
False.
Swivel. His hand, his leg, and good that.
Yes.
Yeah. And he can do the beautiful splits.
Bro can't do a single split at all.
And
This
then,
guy.
same as you. And then he's got a heel. His heel is on a ball joint. Also rather tight on my copy.
Exactly, you're tight.
Yeah.
And hard.
I'm tight. I'm tight.
You're tight and hard.
My butt is tight.
Exactly.
Now, anyway, yes, he tested it, guys. He tested it.
Yo, no.
Gay.
No, I ain't gay.
And
I
then,
ain't go.
His hands can be replaced.
What?
His hands are replaceable.
Yes.
And that is Soundwave. This is yellow part Soundwave, 11 centimeters. Now we're gonna showcase this yellow part. This is
Pansexual.
Blockies, Snarl.
Pansexual.
But one, he is smooth.
False. Pansexual.
Now we're
guys.
gonna.
Lesbian is here.
Huh?
The next one is lesbian.
The lesbian. Yeah. The next one is a lesbian for real.
Forever.
Okay, guys. The next one is
Lesbian.
Spider-Man.
Yes, a lesbian.
Yes, and also this.
A gay.
No.
Huh?
A man with glasses can't be gay.
A gay and a guy is
A man in glasses can't be gay. Napawag ako next ba? But
Exactly.
still, a man with glasses can't be gay.
Yes.
But I'm gonna remove them because it's gonna hurt my eyes.
Exactly.
And then, Karambit.
A gay tool. A gay tool. That's used for women
Yes,
only.
this is where you
That's only for your woman
you
essentials.
plug in the butt plug.
Huh?
You say it's for gays, so butt plug.
No, that's for you.
Yeah, butt plug.
Exactly.
Yeah, you shove it into the butt.
How would I know?
You tested it last night.
Oh, yo, no, I did not. I did
And
not.
This
Trust
This
me.
is bonus features. This means that 3 people can be inserted. But last night we did this. Last night. The human centipede. We can do the human centipede with this.
Gayness to the maximum.
No, I'm not gay. Look at my perfume. This means is this not gay. My perfume is not gay.
I mean, it's pink, so it's gay.
Yes, but this is only for show.
Even there's a gay guy here.
That is Sir William III.
Oh wait, oh no.
I don't
so
know.
sorry, Sir William.
I don't know who Sir William III is.
Exactly.
I just know that one.
Only true men know.
Cut reveal.
This is what Ishwa uses.
I love it. His name is Liming Kaito Bigan.
Ishwa is a transgender, and I don't like. What the fuck?
I'm sorry, Minkay. Rest easy na.
It's easy.
I'm sorry,
All of
Minkay.
those jokes are jokes. Never were true.
Unless. Yes, guys, unless.
Bye.